Rice is one of the most important foods in the world, especially in Asian countries, where it is not only a staple food, but also a symbol of culinary culture and daily life. With its diversity and versatility, rice is an indispensable food source for millions of people. However, did you know that choosing the right type of rice can make a big difference in managing blood sugar levels, especially for people with diabetes? Why is rice important for health? Rice provides carbohydrates, which supply energy to the body. Brown rice and other whole grain varieties are rich in fiber, B vitamins, and minerals, helping to control blood sugar, support digestion, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Whole grain rice has a low glycemic index, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels, making it an optimal choice for people with diabetes. Whole grain rice retains the bran and germ, providing more nutrients compared to white rice. Its high fiber content helps you feel full longer, reducing the risk of overeating. It also improves digestion due to its abundant fiber. Are you looking for the right rice to manage diabetes? Don't worry, in this article, Harmony for Health will share a list of the 7 best rice types tailored to your nutritional needs. And the most special part? Don't miss the last rice variety on the list, a true game changer that will transform the way you think about nutrition. Additionally, we'll share important tips for cooking to ensure every meal supports your health journey in the best way possible. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any healthy living tips from Harmony for Health. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We're always here to support you. Chapter 7. Red-brown rice. Red-brown rice is a standout whole grain with its striking red hue and superior nutritional profile. Unlike white rice, red-brown rice retains the bran layer, providing ample fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It is an ideal choice for those managing diabetes and seeking a healthy carbohydrate source. Nutritional benefits of red-brown rice. Rich in antioxidants. The red color of red-brown rice indicates the presence of anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, combat oxidative stress, and support overall health. Blood sugar control. Its high fiber content slows the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, reducing the risk of blood sugar spikes after meals. According to the American Diabetes Association, whole grains like red-brown rice can improve blood sugar control and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Digestive support. The fiber in red-brown rice not only benefits blood sugar management, but also promotes a healthy digestive system, helping to maintain a feeling of fullness for longer. How to use red-brown rice. Red-brown rice has a nutty flavor and a slightly chewy texture, making it a versatile ingredient for dishes like salads, fried rice, or paired with lean protein and vegetables. Cooking it takes about 30 to 40 minutes, but its rich nutrition and flavor are well worth the effort. 6. Basmati rice. Basmati rice is one of the best options for people with diabetes due to its low glycemic index, GI. This means it raises blood sugar levels more slowly than regular rice, effectively helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. With its distinctive aroma and long grains that remain fluffy after cooking, basmati rice is not only healthy, but also enriches your culinary experience. Health benefits of basmati rice. Low carbohydrate impact. Basmati rice can be enjoyed in moderation without causing blood sugar spikes. Rich in fiber and nutrients. This rice provides fiber, vitamins, and minerals, supporting digestion and overall health. Supports diabetes management. According to the American Diabetes Association, low GI foods like basmati rice improve blood sugar control and reduce the risk of complications. Cooking and serving tips. To maximize nutritional benefits, pair basmati rice with lean protein, like chicken or fish, and non-starchy vegetables. This combination not only balances nutrition, but also increases satiety. Basmati rice works well in stir-fries, stews, or as a side dish. Note: portion control is key. Consult a nutritionist to ensure your diet aligns with your health goals. 5. Brown rice. Brown rice, a nutrient-rich whole grain, retains the bran and germ that are often removed during white rice processing. This makes brown rice an ideal choice for those managing diabetes. With its high fiber content, brown rice slows the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, helping to stabilize blood sugar and prevent post-meal spikes. Research has shown that incorporating whole grains, like brown rice into your diet, can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes and improve blood sugar control. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who regularly consume whole grains have a lower risk of diabetes than those who eat refined grains. Moreover, the fiber in brown rice promotes satiety, aiding in effective weight management, an important factor in diabetes control. Beyond its health benefits, brown rice offers a nutty flavor and chewy texture, making it suitable for various dishes. You can easily use brown rice in salads, stir-fries, grain bowls, or simply as a side dish. To maximize its benefits, pair brown rice with lean protein, such as chicken, turkey, or fish, along with non-starchy green vegetables. While brown rice takes longer to cook than white rice, the health benefits it provides are well worth the effort. Add brown rice to your menu to harness its nutritional potential and support your healthy living journey. 4. Wild rice. Although often referred to as rice, wild rice is actually a type of grass seed, distinct from traditional rice varieties. With a lower glycemic index, GI, than white rice, wild rice has a smaller impact on blood sugar levels, making it an excellent choice for those managing diabetes. Wild rice is rich in essential nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Its high fiber content not only supports digestion, but also helps regulate blood sugar by slowing carbohydrate absorption. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggests that a fiber-rich diet contributes to better blood sugar control and reduces the risk of diabetes-related complications. In addition to its health benefits, wild rice offers a unique flavor and chewy texture, making it ideal for soups, salads, or side dishes. Pair wild rice with vegetables and lean protein like chicken, turkey, or beans to create a balanced meal that supports overall health. However, wild rice requires a longer cooking time, typically 45 to 60 minutes. The distinctive taste and health benefits, however, make the wait worthwhile. Incorporating wild rice into your diet is not only a nutritious choice, but also an exciting step towards effectively managing diabetes. Tip: start by including wild rice in your dinner plans. This small change can make a big impact on your health. 3. Black rice. Black rice, often called forbidden rice, is a whole grain that stands out with its deep black color and high nutritional value. Known for being rich in antioxidants, fiber, and essential nutrients, black rice is not only visually striking, but also an excellent choice for people with diabetes. Outstanding health benefits. Powerful antioxidants. Black rice contains anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, supporting the prevention of diabetes complications. Blood sugar control. Its high fiber content slows carbohydrate absorption, preventing blood sugar spikes. Digestive support. The fiber in black rice enhances digestion, helping the body absorb nutrients more effectively. Versatile uses. Black rice has a mildly nutty flavor and a slightly chewy texture, making it suitable for a variety of dishes. Grain salads, mixed with leafy greens and lean proteins like fish or chicken. Stir fries, combine with vegetables and spices for a wholesome meal. Grain bowls, use as a base for colorful dishes loaded with proteins and vegetables. Usage tips. Cooking time. Black rice takes 30 to 40 minutes to cook, longer than white rice, but the health benefits are worth the wait. Portion control. Ensure appropriate serving sizes to maintain stable blood sugar levels. 2. Jasmati rice. Jasmati rice is the perfect fusion of jasmine and basmati rice, offering a light fragrance, soft long grains, and numerous health benefits. With a medium-low glycemic index, GI, significantly lower than regular white rice, this rice reduces sudden blood sugar spikes, making it an ideal choice for people managing diabetes or aiming to maintain a healthy weight. In addition, Jasmati rice provides a moderate amount of fiber and essential minerals, such as magnesium, selenium, and phosphorus, which support digestion and overall health. Its easy-to-digest nature makes it suitable for various age groups, from children to the elderly. Incorporating Jasmati rice into a healthy diet. Jasmati rice is highly versatile and can be used in many dishes. Main course. Serve as a side dish with sautéed vegetables or lean meats. Salads. Mix with leafy greens and a lemon dressing for a nutrient-rich salad. Grilled dishes. Use as a base for grilled meats or fish for a balanced flavor. To maximize benefits, pair Jasmati rice with protein-rich foods like fish, chicken, tofu, and vitamin-rich vegetables. This combination not only helps control blood sugar, but also creates flavorful and nutritious meals. 1. Blended quinoa. A nutrient-packed option for diabetes management. Although quinoa is not technically rice, blending it with grains like brown rice or black rice creates a nutrient-dense dish particularly suitable for people with diabetes. Quinoa is a complete protein source and high in fiber, making it effective for blood sugar management. Key nutritional benefits. Complete protein. Quinoa provides all essential amino acids, supporting cell repair and regeneration. Heart health. Minerals like magnesium and potassium in quinoa improve cardiovascular function and reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications. B vitamins. Quinoa is rich in B vitamins, aiding energy metabolism and nervous system health. The perfect combination. When mixed with brown or black rice, quinoa creates a dish with interesting textures and sustainable energy. This blend offers a healthy, fiber-rich alternative with less impact on blood sugar compared to regular white rice. Versatile applications. Blended quinoa is easy to use in various dishes. Stews adds thickness and nutritional value. Soups enhances flavor and promotes satiety. Nutrient bowls, ideal for breakfast or snacks with nuts and vegetables. Quick cooking and easy preparation. With a short cooking time, blended quinoa is a convenient choice for busy lifestyles while ensuring adequate nutrition. This is truly a game changer in a diabetic diet, providing a balance of flavor and health benefits. Notes on preparation. Portion control. Although types of rice like brown rice, black rice, and red rice have a lower glycemic index, overconsumption can still raise blood sugar levels. Stick to appropriate portion sizes, usually 1/2 to 1 cup of cooked rice. Pair with other foods. When eating rice, balance your meal with lean protein, such as fish, chicken, or tofu. Non-starchy vegetables like kale, broccoli, or asparagus, and healthy fats such as olive oil, avocado, or nuts. This helps slow sugar absorption and better control blood sugar levels. Cooking method. Avoid frying or stir-frying rice with oil. The best methods are boiling, steaming, or preparing rice porridge for easier digestion. Low GI rice types like brown rice, black rice, or red rice should be prioritized. However, the combination of foods and cooking methods also affect the overall GI of the meal. Do not eat rice alone. Consuming rice without pairing it with other foods can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. Always pair rice with fiber-rich foods and protein. Monitor carbs. People with diabetes should calculate the total carbohydrate content of their meals to better manage blood sugar levels. Healthy eating practices. Divide meals into smaller portions throughout the day. Avoid eating too much rice at once. Stay hydrated and avoid sugary drinks. Regularly monitor blood sugar levels before and after meals to adjust portion sizes and food choices accordingly. Blood sugar management with Harmony for Health. The rice types shared in this video can help you effectively manage your blood sugar levels. But your health journey doesn't end here. After watching this video, take a moment to explore more content from us. These resources are specifically tailored for you, offering insights into dietary tips, healthy lifestyle habits, and creative strategies to empower you in managing diabetes with confidence. Click on the playlist listed above, scroll down, and choose a video that suits your interests. From blood sugar-friendly recipes to small habits that can improve your health, Each video is a stepping stone to furthering your journey. Every small step matters. Just one small change a day can make a significant difference in managing your health. Always consult your doctor to ensure these methods are suitable for your personal needs. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on valuable content about diabetes management and overall health. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts, experiences, or any questions you may have. Your feedback inspires us to create content that better suits your needs. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video today. Until next time, take care of yourself and stay strong on your health journey. See you in the next video. Your support is deeply appreciated, and it motivates us to continue creating informative videos to help everyone. Thank you and goodbye.